Join me as I dive into the world of QQQ stock and try to figure out if it's actually a smart investment. The QQQ stock, also known as the Invesco QQQ ETF, is a popular exchange-traded fund that tracks the performance of the Nasdaq 100 index. This index includes 100 of the largest non-financial stocks listed on the Nasdaq, such as tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Given its heavy tech focus, QQQ is often seen as a barometer for the tech industry and a popular choice for investors looking for growth opportunities. But with the tech sector being notoriously volatile, it's essential to assess whether QQQ is a good investment for your portfolio. The current market conditions are anything but certain. Economic indicators are sending mixed signals, and investors are navigating through a sea of uncertainties. Interest rates are fluctuating, and the threat of inflation looms large. For tech stocks, in particular, the high growth expectations can make them sensitive to changes in market sentiment. So, when considering QQQ, it's crucial to keep an eye on these broader market trends and how they might impact the fund's performance. QQQ's performance is heavily influenced by its top holdings. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon drive a significant portion of its returns. The fund's sector allocation is also worth noting, with a significant tilt towards technology, communication services, and consumer discretionary stocks. Economic indicators, such as GDP growth, unemployment rates, and consumer spending, also play a role in QQQ's performance. Understanding these factors can give investors a better sense of what might lie ahead for QQQ. One key insight to consider is that QQQ's historical performance has been strong, but past results are not necessarily indicative of future returns. Some analysts argue that the tech sector is due for a correction, while others believe that the long-term growth prospects for tech stocks remain intact. Another point to consider is that QQQ's expense ratio is relatively low, making it an attractive option for cost-conscious investors. Additionally, the fund's liquidity and trading volume are high, making it easy to buy and sell shares. To make an informed decision about investing in QQQ, it's essential to weigh these factors and consider your own investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a growth-oriented investment with a tech focus, QQQ might still be a good choice. However, if you're risk-averse or seeking more stable returns, you might want to think twice. In summary, assessing whether QQQ is a good investment involves considering a range of factors, from its top holdings and sector allocations to broader market trends and economic indicators. By taking a closer look at these elements, you can make a more informed decision about whether QQQ aligns with your investment goals. If you've got thoughts on QQQ or other investment opportunities, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to check out my other investment analysis videos for more insights and in-depth looks at popular stocks and ETFs.